Koti koti kidek.
Say again. ரெண்டு என்ன மூணு என்ன
ஒன்று ராய்த்தா
ம்
ஒன்று கீர் இன்னொன்று வந்து அந்த கிரேவி
கத்திரிக்காய் கிரேவியா
Koti koti kidek
What
chicken
are those?
kebab. Serving 2 people. So that's why 2 gulab jamuns, 2 payasam.
Oh, okay. What is it? Is it Javarsi paisa?
It's a combination of javarsi and semi.
Okay. And is it something like chicken 60? Oh yeah, that's
This
paisa.
is like kheer. This is your chicken kebab.
Okay, it's something like parattal masala. Yeah. Okay. And this
Gulab
is jamun.
jamun. This is burnt gulab jamun.
Okay.
Ultimate. This is like a bucket.
Is it chicken biryani or mutton biryani?
Of course, it is mutton biryani with chicken kebab, 4 pieces.
Oh, okay, it's topped with chicken kebab on top, is it?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
So you can say, "Enna venum unakku soru kotti kotti kidakku."
Wow, wish on that song. So our viewers, how is Raham's biryani?
1, 2, 3.
Open, Kulja Simpson. Yes.
This is the chicken kebab, 4-piece chicken kebab.
Okay, so you can see, is it Jeeraga Samba rice? What they use?
Yes.
Okay. And yes, their biryani is undoubtedly flavorful. We have tried it several times, and this is the Eid special, right? So
நாளைக்கு வாங்கினாலும் இதுதான் ஸ்பெஷல்.
எப்போ வாங்கினாலும் இதுதான் ஸ்பெஷல், ஆனால் நாங்கள் வாங்கிக்கிட்டே இருப்போம். So anytime, say cheers to Raham's biryani, and if you like it, do give a thumbs up,
And transfer
share,
some fund to my account.
share, and subscribe to the channel. Passion say cheese. Feel without eggs, the biryani is incomplete, so just boil some eggs alone. Chicken's mutai, yes, that is koli mutai.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.